Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y, and also we will check out the trend cycle for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. We will start with Bank Nifty first and check out the closing price of Bank Nifty. Today was expiry, May series expiry. So from next day we are going to start the June series. So we will analyze 4th June expiry data for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now we will check out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. The trading range is the highest call, range between the highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance for the Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for it. Now for finding highest call, we will go through this column and find out where is the highest call. And if we go through this column, then we can see 19,500 has the highest call. Around 2,81,000 contracts are over here, and 1,68,000 contracts are added today only. So this one is the change in Y. Now see this, around 2,65,000 contracts are added at 20,000, which is the second highest call on Bank Nifty. And also notice this one, around 1,57,000 contracts are added today only. And also an important level is this one, see this one, around 2,52,000 contracts are open and added today only around 1,32,000 contracts. So this indicates some maybe Nifty may open gap down, because here we have seen some good amount of call writing where when the Bank Nifty was in bullish tone. So this is a little indication only. Now we will check out the put side. Now here is the highest put we have at 19,000 is a strike where we have the highest put. Around 3,55,000 contracts are open here. And this, look this one, the change in Y, around 3,33,000 contracts were added today only. So this is an important support for the Bank Nifty, and followed by this one, around 18,500. It has around 2,55,000 contracts, and change in Y were 1,26,000 contracts over here. Now if we check this one, net change, this all are green, indicates the call buying was there. That's why the trading from last two sessions we have seen the trending Bank Nifty and Nifty, and this is due to that we have green. And if we see this one, this is what put writing, it is conveying the put writing over here. So both are indication of some positivity in it. However, the pivot level for the Bank Nifty is here. We can see the pivot level for the Bank Nifty is here at 19,000. This one, 19,000 strike. This is the pivot level. Here is the around 2,52,000 in call side and 3,55,000 in put side. Apart from this, we will also check out the trend cycle for Bank Nifty. Before that, we will move towards Nifty to check out what has happened over there. And now first we will check out the closing price, which is at 9,490.10 on 28th May, and we are talking about 4th June expiry. Now we will find out the trading range, highest call and highest put. For that purpose we will go through this column. So here is something, 9,97,000 contracts are here, and around 4,30,000 contracts are added here. This is the highest call in Nifty, and followed by see this one. Here is around 7,64,000 contracts at 9,600. So we are saying highest calls are very near to each other, and this one, the highest change in Y here, and this one, and also the highest change in Y at 10,000 in call size. So these are the important level on the change in Y as well, and this is the first and highest resistance for the Nifty, as well as the immediate resistance for it as well. So this is an important level for the Nifty. Now we will find out where is the highest put, and if we go through this column, then here we can see around 10 lakh contracts are here at 9,000. So this is going to be the highest support for the Nifty, and here we have the highest put as well, followed by here we can see around 9 lakh contracts are at 9,200. So this is going to be the second highest support for the bank Nifty, and this is the immediate support for the Nifty. And see this one, the huge put writing is over here. So this is going to be very big support for the Nifty. 9,400 is we have seen around huge put writing over here. Now another thing that we can say, see this around 7 lakh contracts, and this one, this indicates like call writers are still here. So little negative, maybe gap down possible, and a little gap down in possible in Nifty as well, but we will say tomorrow. And here if we can see the call buying indication is call buying, and here we can see the put writing. So this is overall a positive sign for Nifty as well. And also we will check out the trend cycle for it. However, the pivot level for bank Nifty is here, 9,500, 9,400 can be the pivot, in 7,1500, 7,15,000 contracts are here, and here 8,054. So this is the 9,400 is the pivot for the Nifty. Above this, Nifty is bullish and try to go towards 9,500, 9,600. Below this, it will try to go 9,300 and 9,200. So pivot level is 9,400, and we will check out the trend cycle. For that purpose, we will go towards our blog, and I'll put the link in the description, video description, so you can also check out. Here we see the max span for Nifty is at 19,000. The previously it was at 18,400, and on Nifty it is 9,400. Indication are also bullish, but see this one, there is no sign of long in bank Nifty. So I am little confused or mixed, or maybe bearish on bank Nifty, because the short cover is only here and short is only here, no long sign. So this is some confusion in bank Nifty, and here we can see the long in Nifty. So if we combine both bank Nifty and Nifty, we can say Nifty is going into negative direction, and Nifty is going into positive direction, bank Nifty is going into negative direction. So this what makes like weakness in bank Nifty may weak Nifty, or strength in Nifty may bring weakness in bank Nifty. So we will see what happens. So you have to be little careful while trading in both the indices. And this is all about bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching.